name is Altamirano and I live and work in Salamanca, Spain. I'm a teacher trainer and author, and I am also the Vice President of TESOL Spain. I'll be presenting my talk, Differentiated Instruction, Myths and Reality, at the 40th Annual International TESOL France Colloquium on Saturday the 20th of November at 9 a.m. Let me tell you a little bit about what I am planning to do. Now, when students enter school, teachers are faced with certain challenges in the classroom as these students arrive with a vast array of abilities, wants, and needs. To face these enormous challenges, teachers can implement an instructional framework called differentiated instruction. But differentiation is not something that we occasionally add onto a lesson. It's something that runs throughout what we do as teachers through the planning phase, the teaching phase, and the assessment phase. Teachers need to make choices and decisions during the different phases of a lesson, which will help them meet the needs of all learners and personalize their learning. However, there are a lot of misconceptions about what differentiated instruction is. So I will start my session by discussing the most common misconceptions around differentiated instruction, that is, the myths. I will then explain what differentiated instruction actually involves, that is, the reality. I will define the concept and the key elements of a lesson cycle that can be differentiated. Then I will present some examples of techniques and activities to help successfully differentiate content, process, and product, such as using varied text and resource materials or introducing stepped activities. By the end of the presentation, I hope I will have helped you to understand what differentiated instruction is and is not, to learn how to differentiate different elements of a lesson, and find ways of managing a differentiated lesson. So, hope to see you on the 20th November at 9 a.m. Bye!